have the Nintendo Switch, and let me show you how to create a new user account. So if you don't want people playing with your own user account, then you can go ahead and create new user accounts for them. And to do that, just go to System Settings. Under System Settings, on the left hand side, go to Users, select that, and then you should see your user there. So if you scroll down, you should see Add User. Select that, and then it's going to give you the option to either create a new user or import data from another console. For today, we're just creating a new user. So select that, and then go ahead and select a profile icon for this particular user. For this one, I'm going to select this profile icon and select that, and then give a nickname for that user. I'll call that user that, and then click OK. And that user has been created and added to the console. So just go ahead and select OK. If you want to, you can link that person's Nintendo account to this user account, or you can do that later by tapping on later. Simple as that. So now when you go back home, you'll notice you have two users on your Nintendo Switch. You can always switch to the other user at any time. Just double tap on it and it's going to take you to that user's profile. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.